Hello, I'm Matilda, and today we're going to meet a very special guest. It's Zindzi Kenyo. Hi, Zindzi.
Hi.
Okay, Zindzi, now you have just a minute to tell us about the garden you're in. And your time starts now.
Well, this place is so special to me because when I moved to Sydney as a teenager, I lived here with my godparents. This is their home and this is their garden. Do you want to come and take a look? It's so beautiful. It's like a jungle. Watch your head. There's a beautiful place that you can walk around and see all of the trees, and one of my favourite trees is this magnolia. It's beautiful. There are no flowers because they've just finished flowering, but I love the seeds. Aren't they gorgeous? Just as beautiful, I think. And one of my favourite flowers is a hydrangea, which is over here. This was my granny's favourite plant. They come in vibrant blue and green. This one's a really beautiful pale pink. I think it's really special. And there's a curious little flower over here. Come on. It's called a native violet. I just love that purple. It's so, so vibrant. I love the energy of this place. It's so calm and I can just relax and be myself. Bye.